Assembling the Kroger Mirra kit. Part 1. Table. Begin by opening the box completely and laying out all contents. If helpful, label each piece with pencil, based on the diagram on the instructions page. Do not write on the front of either table wrap. You will have 7 identical pieces named J. Please locate the 2 special J pieces and set them aside. Special J1 has 2 pieces of Velcro affixed to one side. Special J2 has the light piece affixed to one side and will be used in Part 2. Begin by locating piece M, which is shorter than piece E, but similar in design. Fold piece M along the pre-indented lines. Once folded, the side slits should be closer to the ground when standing up. Take a J piece and begin with the end not containing the 2 circle holes, and slide into the bottom arms of the M piece, creating a box-like appearance. Make sure to first use the J end without the holes. The 2 holes, resembling a smiley face, should still be free. Bend the J at the pre-indented lines to slide the other end into the next level of M. Take another J piece and slide into the same level as the second portion of J1. Again, be sure to leave the holes side out first. Again, fold J along the pre-indented line and insert into the next level of M. For the final level, use the special J1 piece, making sure that the 2 pieces of Velcro are facing up when portion 2 is inserted into M. Push the doors through on each J piece and pop out each small tab in the center of the door. This tab will slide into the slits of M and secure the doors open. Repeat for each level of J. Identify the shorter table wrap, C, and wrap around the front of the unit. Starting on one side, fold the flaps of C into the door area and push the tab so it's flat along the inside wall. Repeat for a second side to fully secure the table wrap around the unit. You can start at the bottom or the top in securing the tabs. Only secure one side at a time. Next, locate piece K, standing right side up so that the 2 pop-out sections are closer to the top of the piece. Line up the Velcro on piece K and affix to the Velcro on piece C. Pop the 2 sections of K forward and secure into the bottom of J's shelf 1 and 2. Lastly, locate the mirrored tabletop portion F and affix to the top of the unit, making sure the Velcro pieces attach to the top of J. There are small tabs that can insert into the top of J. As long as the Velcro is attached, it is okay if the tabs are not fully inserted into J. The table podium is now fully assembled.